Welcome to Auto Buzz, your ultimate destination for high-octane automotive content, deep dives into engineering masterpieces, and exclusive looks at the world's most exotic hypercars. Today, we are stepping into a realm where art meets adrenaline as we explore the 2026 Pagani Zonda C12. While the original C12 debuted decades ago to put Horacio Pagani on the map, the 2026 reimagining represents a breathtaking bridge between heritage and modern innovation. This car is not just a vehicle, it is a symphony of carbon fiber, titanium, and pure mechanical soul designed for the most discerning collectors on the planet. At the heart of this masterpiece lies the iconic 6.0-liter V12 engine, meticulously handcrafted by Mercedes-AMG. In this 2026 iteration, the power plant has been tuned to deliver a staggering 800 horsepower, ensuring that the raw, naturally aspirated scream that defined the Zonda era remains intact. Unlike many modern hypercars that have turned to heavy hybrid systems, the Zonda C12 stays true to its roots with a lightweight focus. The power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox, offering a tactile and visceral driving experience that is becoming increasingly rare in an era of paddle shifters and automation. The exterior of the 2026 Pagani Zonda C12 is a masterclass in aerodynamic sculpture. It retains the classic teardrop-shaped cockpit and the legendary quad exhaust setup that looks like a fighter jet's afterburner. However, for 2026, Pagani has integrated advanced Carbo Triax HP62 technology into the monocoque chassis, making the car significantly stiffer and lighter than its predecessors. The active aerodynamics have been refined, with front and rear flaps that adjust independently to optimize downforce during high-speed cornering. The silver paintwork, a signature of the original C12, is applied with a depth and clarity that highlights every curve of the hand-laid carbon fiber bodywork. Inside the cabin, the attention to detail is bordering on obsessive. The 2026 model features a completely analog instrument cluster, where the needles are crafted with the precision of a Swiss watch. Every switch and lever is milled from a solid block of aluminum, providing a mechanical click that feels substantial and timeless. The seats are upholstered in a blend of fine Italian leather and specialized nubuck, offering both comfort and grip for high-performance driving. There are no large touchscreens to distract the driver, instead, the focus is entirely on the connection between the human and the machine. Performance figures for the 2026 Zonda C12 are equally impressive. It can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed that exceeds 350 km per hour. But the Zonda has never been just about the numbers on a spec sheet. It is about the way the steering talks to your palms and the way the V12 howl echoes off canyon walls. The suspension utilizes a forged aluminum alloy double wishbone setup with electronic Öhlins dampers, allowing the driver to transition from a compliant road feel to a rigid track-ready monster at the push of a button. This car serves as a reminder that true luxury is found in craftsmanship and character. As we look toward the future of the automotive world, the Zonda C12 stands as a permanent monument to what can be achieved when a designer refuses to compromise on his vision. Thank you for joining us on Auto Buzz for this look at one of the most beautiful machines ever created. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Pagani Zonda C12, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from the world of elite performance.